Hello! I'm driving. I am on my way to see Brad and his family. Tonight is cookie decorating night with his family, with the girlies. It's just girls only though. It's only the girls. This will be my third year being a part of the cookie baking. I met a man who lives in Tennessee, and he was heading for Pennsylvania and some homemade pumpkin pie. Okay, I just made it. I'm about to go in and make some brownies, and then we're gonna make some gingerbread houses. I might vlog some of it, I might not. We'll see. We'll see. But I'll see you in a little bit. It's a flower box. That's how it said to assemble it. Here, put some up. Hi.
Smile, you're on camera. You're on camera. You're on camera.
Hey! I thought you were looking at me. So.
Good morning, everyone. We are on our way to Birmingham to meet with Brad's Aunt Judy.
Woohoo!
And then we're gonna go get Bradley's suit for the wedding.
Well, get fitted for it at least.
Yeah, that. Don't mind my face. I was crying last night because I saw a video of an old dog.
It was the home free video, everybody.
That died. So it ruined my night. I sobbed openly for a while. So it's fine. We're fine now. I'm not crying anymore. I'm still thinking about it. It makes me sad, but we're fine. Bradley's driving. Good job, Brad.
No problem.
Proud of you.
Doing what I can.
Well, we just got done eating
That's right.
at the restaurant.
Yep.
Now we're gonna go to Men's Warehouse to figure out Bradley's suit ordeal for the wedding. So let's go do that.
Let's do it.
You ready?
Yeah.
All right. That's weird. Just made it to Men's Warehouse.
Yeah, we're here.
We're now in World Market. We got the suit thing situated.
Yeah.
And it went great.
Yeah.
It did. It was great. It's the best day of our lives.
Yeah.
So now we're in World Market and we're gonna have a good time.
Yeah. Great time.
Yeah, great time. Yeah. Great time?
Great time.
Great time. Well, we're back from Birmingham. We're back in our town and we're gonna go eat at a nice fancy restaurant. So, also, Scott Hoying followed Brad on Twitter.
Sure did.
We'll probably still be freaking out long after this day, but we're freaking out today for sure.
That's right.
Scott, we love you. Okay, we're gonna go
Hey,
eat.
Scott.
We're gonna go eat. See you in a second.
We got to do last year, me and you here on this channel, and now Emily gets to do it too. She's vlogging right now for her channel.
We just got done filming for Brad's YouTube channel. Go subscribe to him, which I say that, but most of the people on here are people that are already subscribed to Bradley. Check out my corgi shirt that Brad got me. It's got corgis all over it. We're just chilling at home. Brad's currently in the bathroom, talking on the phone. I bought this today at World Market. It's sake, and it's in a cute, there's a cat on it. It's in a cute little glass with like a pop top. I've never seen this, so I wanted to try it. This brand. Oh, this is so unique. That is quite strong. I'm about to get a shower and wash my hair because, as you can see, it's looking really, well, okay, it doesn't look that oily, but it feels really gross. So, at Target today, I got these earrings, and then I got this scrunchie. That's what it is. Scrunchie with this really beautiful, like, satiny tails on there. I figured I could wear this for, like, bridal showers. I have a lot of bridal showers that are coming up, so I figure I could wear this for at least one of those. That would be really cute. I have the hiccups now. And the next thing I got is this Shea Moisture brand Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask with sea kelp and argan oil. As you can see, the ends of my hair look fried and bad and awful. I haven't gotten my hair cut and it's been longer than I was supposed to wait. It's been a long time. I need to definitely go see. It just keeps getting tangled really easily, and I need some kind of hair treatment mask because it's looking real bad. It's looking real bad. And then I used to go into World Market all the time when I was in college. This beautiful bottle of, I think it's wine. Is it wine?
What's that bottle?
Why did you throw a Diet Coke at me?
What about that bottle?
Why would you throw a Diet Coke at me? That could have injured me. I'm wearing my corgi shirt that you got me.
You are.
He bought this at Target and thought of me because he knows how much I love corgis, and he bought it for me and surprised me with it. How sweet is that?
Pretty sweet, honestly.
That is sweet.
Yep.
Anyway, I think this is a wine, like a rosé. I don't know, but I thought the bottle was beautiful. I'm gonna use it for decoration. My hair is getting on my nerves. I'm gonna go take a shower and wash my hair. I'll be back. I got a shower and washed my hair, and I tried my new hair mask. Bradley is editing video. I'm about to do the same. So, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thanks for joining me, on this journey, and I will see you guys later. Bye!